So very good morning class 10th students. Today we are going to see the new thing, that is mechanism of breathing. मतलब हम कैसे breathe करते हैं. It's not a simple process. At daytime we remember, but when we are sleeping, then what happens? Then we need to understand it. So today we'll see how we are breathing. So in this way we breathe, but to understand the breathing process now, we need to review one concept that we already studied in class 7th. That concept we are going to study again today. I think you remember about the flow of air, the reason of wind. Okay, so the concept is that the air moves from high pressure area to low pressure area. मतलब जहाँ हवा ज़्यादा है, जहाँ प्रेशर ज़्यादा है हवा का, उधर से कम प्रेशर की तरफ हवा ऑलवेज मूव करती है. और प्रेशर जो है वो वॉल्यूम पर भी डिपेंड करता है. ठीक है, कम जगह पे ज़्यादा हवा भरी है मतलब हवा का प्रेशर ज़्यादा है. एंड इफ़ द स्पेस इज़ मोर एंड एयर इज़ सेम, देन प्रेशर इज़ लो. So let us see how inhalation takes place. Now you need to focus very carefully. We'll move from action 1. So action 1, what happens? Diaphragm moves downside. ठीक है, this is action number 1. Action number 2, chest is expanded. But how chest is expanded? Chest is expanded due to external costal muscles. You remember external costal muscles were present. So when diaphragm is going downside and chest is expanded due to external costal muscles, then what results are happening? You see, space is increased inside chest cavity, then volume is also increased, then air pressure is decreased क्योंकि जगह बढ़ गई तो हवा कम हो गई, and then automatically from outside air will go inside क्योंकि अंदर air pressure कम हो गया तो हवा अंदर आएगी. Now exhalation, just opposite. We will move from action number 1 to action number 2. Now diaphragm is moving upside, and second action, what is happening? Chest is contracted due to internal costal muscles. They are contracting the chest. अब जब डायफ्राम ऊपर जाएगा और चेस्ट जो है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो हमारे चेस्ट कैविटी का एरिया, जब स्पेस इज रिड्यूस्ड, वॉल्यूम ऑल्सो डिक्रीज्ड, तो क्या होगा? हवा जो भरी उस पर दबाव पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स एयर प्रेशर इज इंक्रीज्ड. So when air pressure is increased, then what will happen? Air will go outside. So these are main two reasons how or why we can breathe easily: change in volume and change in air pressure. Okay, so these inhalation and exhalation. Now you see it: diaphragm upside, diaphragm downside, inhalation, diaphragm upside, exhalation. External costal muscles, internal costal muscles, external costal muscles, internal costal muscles. Now you see again, volume is increased, pressure decreased, air came inside. Now exhalation, volume decreased, pressure increased, volume increased, air inside, volume decreased, air outside. So due to the movement in diaphragm, internal costal muscles and external costal muscles, volume changes frequently and air pressure changes frequently. Due to change in air pressure and volume, we can inhale and exhale. Okay, but for breathing we are using lungs, but there are many other animals which have different respiratory or breathing organs. For example, fishes and frogs have gills, spiracles and trachea are present in insects. And you know, earthworm and frog, they are using their moist skin for exchanges of gases or breathing. Okay dear, thank you so much. Take care.